A shift is coming. A new way of earning money for your family is on the horizon, and it's time to get involved. An opportunity to automate an online income. And I have 3 videos that will show you how to make an online income from scratch. Just hit the link somewhere around this video and get yourself a free copy. Every day, millions of people are searching for things online, and you can get paid for connecting them with what they're searching for. This is called online business. And these 3 videos will show how virtually anyone can build one and create an online income from scratch. Seriously, go ahead and grab your free copy while you can and see for yourself. The setups shown help you create the income, meaning that you can repeat the process if you want to grow. And with everything you'll need to get the job done and more. I'm going to show you that you're not stuck in place if you don't want to be. It's an illusion. And this genuine chance to improve many conditions in your life, because life can change in an instant, but only if you want it to. And if you do, then it's up to you to start working on a plan that will change things. No one's coming to save you. Everything really is in your hands. The videos I'm sharing with you will open the door to a digital world of massive possibilities. And it's not for everyone, like I said. You've got to be motivated and driven for change. The reward will be your dream life, and that's totally worth the hard work you put in. Watch the videos and decide how much extra you want.